How to make and create modern resume on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to create a modern resume in less than 1 minute, go to canva.com, log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design. Now search for resume, click on it, and now on this page all what you have to do is scroll down until you find modern resume. Click here on see all and choose a template. For example, hit this one. It looks so professional. As you can see, you can edit everything right here from the picture and the informations, and after you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.